the iron towers, the rich sit high in endless power. Their hands sustain, their hearts are cold, but we are bound, our lives are sold. The fire within begins to burn, the call to arms is our return. We suffer long, now hear the cry, we march beneath the crimson sky. Burn the halls of being cold. Strike the chains of mighty lights, from shadows no retreat. Our vengeance pure, we will not sleep. The wrath of the worker, cold and fierce. We strike the rich, their aim will pierce. They feast our blood, they drink our pain, while we endure their cruel disdain. Their castles crumble, their lives decay. The revolution finds its way. With iron will, we take the streets, unleashing fire beneath their feet. No mercy shown, no shame to bear. The fires of rebellion fill the air. Burn the halls of being cold. Strike the chains of mighty lights, on shadows no retreat. Our vengeance pure, we will not sleep. The wrath of the worker, cold and fierce. We strike the rich, their aim will pierce. Their lies will burn in hell. Their fate, we cast a spell. Their blood, we spill the truth. We are the storm, the revolution, yeah. Burn the halls of being gold. Strike the chains that are your lives, from shadows no retreat. Our vengeance pure, we will not sleep. The wrath of the worker, cold and fierce. We strike the rich, their rage